Okay, today I'm going to be working on replacing the gear grease in the lower unit of my 9.9 4-stroke outboard kicker motor. Yesterday we did the 4-stroke motor oil change, today the gear grease. This will involve manipulating to start 2 screws. First screw says oil level. It says right here it's embossed in the casing of the actual thing, but it's in black paint. It's painted over. But next set, you want to loosen that screw so it's loose to the touch. See, I busted it with a wrench and screwdriver. And down here, there's one where the oil actually comes in and out. We busted that with a wrench and screwdriver so they're loose to the touch. What we're going to do is remove both screws. And what's going to happen, gravity is going to take its course. The oil is going to drop out of the bottom with the suction of the displacement of the air coming in through the top. And we're going to do that right now. Then we're going to use these products. I'm going to show you how to hook up a pump to put it right into the bottle with a metric adapter, because this thing was made in Canada, to shoot new oil back in till it pumps up through the top, and we'll be done. So, put my headgear on, keep going. First things first, let's bust these things open, find my screwdriver, which is right here. Let's rock and roll. So here we go. We've got the oil level screw out, and since this is worn, I'm going to replace it and its grommet. I put them on the fin there, and bam, this is going to come out gushing. So you got to be ready for it to rock and roll. When this comes out, because, oh, there she goes. She's gushing. You see it's blue, so I'm using my mercury oil with that blue tint on it. May not have needed changed, but they say every 100 hours, so I abide by the rule. So we let this thing drain, and it drains pretty quickly. You can see it's pouring, 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 pouring. And just, I'd keep the motor straight down because gravity is taking its course, and we're going to have this stuff drain out. And really, in a little motor like a 9.9, this doesn't take very long. You can see it's already starting to pump, 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 pump as the air is pushing it. A bigger motor like my 115, it takes a while to get this out of here because it's just a bigger housing. You can see it's a bigger, lower unit, and therefore there's more gear grease in the device itself. So I'm going to cut off of this to make sure that we don't have too long of a video. And I'll come back once this is completely drained up, hook up the apparatus, and show you how to put it back in the right way.